BtheMath presents adding and subtracting integers. Integers are positive and negative whole numbers. Examples: -4, -3, -2, 2, 3, and 4. Adding and subtracting integer rules. If your signs are the same, you add the numbers and keep the sign. So 2 positives would be a positive, adding 2 negatives would be a negative. If the signs are different, you subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger absolute value. So the answer would be positive if the positive value is larger, or negative if the negative is larger. To add or subtract integers, you must first determine the sign of the integer. I know subtraction is looked at as an operation. In the problem 5 minus 7, the 5 is positive. The 7 is negative. Cover the 5 with your finger and then you can see the minus sign as a negative with the 7. Five minus 7 equals what? With the integers having different signs, you must subtract the numbers and keep the sign of the larger value, which is 7. So 7 minus 5 is 2, and the 2 must be negative because 7 has a larger absolute value. So 5 minus 7 is -2. You can also use playing cards to be able to see the different signs. Red is negative and black is positive. 9 minus 3, you can quickly see 9 is positive, 3 is negative, so you subtract and get 6. Different signs, subtract, it's positive since 9 has a larger absolute value. In this example, -2 minus 8, we have a -2 and a -8. They are the same signs, so we get -10. Same signs, add, keep negative. In this example, -6 plus 8, we have a red 6 and a black 8. Different signs, so we get +2. Different signs, subtract. It's positive because 8 is a larger absolute value. What happens if you subtract a negative? -7 minus -4. Minus a negative is the opposite of a negative, so it's actually just a positive. Circle both the signs and change it to a positive. So now we have -7 and +4. Subtracting 7 minus 4, we get 3, and it's negative because 7 has a larger value. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and email me with any video requests at BtheMath.